Hi everyone. Here is the class, the basic of computer. Let's start the lesson about the introduction of the computer. What is the computer? Computer is composed of the following three devices: output device, programming device, and input device. Therefore, what can computer do for us? First is document and file editing. If you need to have some paper with many words, you can use computer to do it. The second is image and video editing. If you are not good at drawing or want to process some videos, computer also can help you. The third is programming. If you have another needs to do, people could write program to achieve their purposes. The last is worldwide internet. It is also called internet, which let you can talk with people around the world and search many information. There are two sorts of the computer, personal computer and laptop. Personal computer is more powerful than laptop. It contains separate screen, keyboard, and main machine. However, laptop is portable, so is more convenient. If you want to learn more, please check the next video.